Legendary Australian cricketer Dean Jones has died of a sudden cardiac arrest on 24 September. He was 59. It is with great sadness that we share the news of the passing away of Mr. Dean Mervyn Jones AM. He died of a sudden cardiac arrest. We express our deep condolences to his family and stand ready to support them in this difficult time. We are in touch with the Australian High Commission to make the necessary arrangements, broadcasters Star Sports said via a press release. Jones was a part of the Star Sports commentary team for the ongoing Indian Premier League and was in the biosecure bubble in Mumbai. Jones, who made his ODI debut in January 1984, was regarded as one of the best batsmen in the format, scoring 6,068 runs at an average of 44.61. He also enjoyed an excellent first-class career, scoring 19,188 runs with 55 hundreds and 88 50s. He was also part of the Australia team that won the Cricket World Cup in 1987. Dean Jones was one of the great ambassadors of the game, associating himself with cricket development across South Asia. He was passionate about discovering new talent and nurturing young cricketers. He was a champion commentator whose presence and presentation of the game always brought joy to the millions of fans, added Star in their release. Our thoughts and prayers are with his family and friends, the statement concluded. Subscribe to Goa First News and Entertainment channel and click on the bell icon and never miss any update.